Okay, so today is February 27th. My second video on trading recap of the week. Fridays I don't really want to trade, but I could, but it's whatever. Um, this whole week and last 2 weeks have been mostly all green for me. We caught this is probably my biggest trade that we caught today, and since it's a trading recap, let's break it down. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here. Okay, so without looking at this first, um, why did I take this trade? I was watching the market move slowly, right? We had a what's it called? We had a uptrend candle on the 1 minute right here in market open, and then we quickly reversed and rejected that candle on the second one. Noticing that the third candle absolutely spikes up and it's right on my zone, meaning it's rejecting the short, and it comes down, sees this, we enter in pretty high actually, around like this area. My risk to reward is right here, and my take profit and my stop loss was not that great. It was like a 1-to-1 ratio basically. And this trade Loki fucked me because I got like, as soon as I went in around this area, literally we were in profit for like 5 minutes. Like, no, sorry, not even 5 minutes, like a minute, and it just crashes down. So we enter no, sorry we exit on this, and we watch the second move. This candle was very small, but it we closed on this line, and it just kept pushing down. Checking book maps during that time, I also noticed that buy side did not have a lot of strength, not a lot of anything. And what I come to realize right after I finished looking at buys, where's my brush, was the fact that this is like this candle's being engulfed basically, and we have a order block and kind of a sweep right here. So realizing that, I low-key entered on shorts right around here. Yes, this fill is bad. Yes, this trade is, some people would be like, no, it's not that good. I wouldn't chase here, but sometimes we have to chase to get the big wins, okay? So don't fucking judge me. Anyways, we got onto this trading. We got into this trade right here. I set my stop technically above this zone right here, and then all the way down. Um, Reason for that is I since after this candle, since it was like a really strong candle, right? I know we were gonna move downwards, but I didn't know how far until my next zone. But I know it's gonna definitely break right here. I set my winning target right here on my next zone, and yeah, there was some sort of like what's it called, uptrend movement later on the day. I was going to take this, or again, order block on the bottom. As you can see, my strategy is kind of simple. Look, it's just all very simple. You just have to overanalyze a bit. I could have chased here on shorts again. Seeing this doesn't even surpass this. It just keeps going down. I didn't take this trade. I didn't take this trade either, but I would have actually taken this trade. Realistically speaking, opening up right here and then closing all the way up here for another around 200 point trade. Sorry, 100 point trade. This trade right here was 100 points. Yeah, so we're up a big fat amount today, with a good trade. And yeah, if I were to take this trade, my friend took this trade. I didn't. He just told me to enter, and I was like, nah, I'm good because I'm going to class. This will be like around a 1-to-4 ratio. And you can see this will be like, 4-to-1 ratio. This will be like a 4-to-1 ratio all the way up to my next zone, and then I'll probably get out right here. I was gonna make another trade right over somewhere around here for or over here for longs, but then I didn't take that either. Stopping out the day with around 2K to 3K profit on all my accounts. So technically we're up like 8,000, 9,000 today. But yeah, I think we're doing pretty good this week. Um, I do a lot of other recaps and other things, but this is probably my better trades yet for this whole week. And yeah, there's not much to it. I'm gonna make another trading recap about tomorrow. Hopefully, if I do trade, but if I don't trade, I'm not making one. A video of my strategy will be coming out shortly. I'm not gonna go in depth about my strategy, but if you want to join my Discord, and sometimes I host like FAQs in there, you can come in, ask me about my strategy, and I'll ask you, like I'll give it to you more in depth. Again, everything is free. I don't charge. I'm creating this just for fun, and everything is just join the community and ask away. I don't really care. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.